Dear friends, I am so glad to see you all here. I want to thank everyone who likes, comments, and subscribes to our channel. Your support is truly amazing. Thanks to you, this project is growing and evolving. From the bottom of my heart, I say thank you. This means a lot to me. Today, we have a special release. Have you ever thought that a simple candle could be the key to clarity, focus, and even success? It sounds incredible, but that's what we'll be talking about today. You'll learn how to turn an ordinary candle into your personal support and source of inner strength. If you want to get your head straight, focus on what's important, and attract what you deserve into your life, make sure to watch the video to the end. Trust me, you'll be surprised by the power of a small flame. May you have a wonderful day. May you feel energized and clear-minded. Now, let us take a deep breath and begin. Imagine this. You are sitting in silence with a candle burning before you, a simple, ordinary candle, and all of a sudden, something changes at that moment. Your thoughts become clearer, the noise quiets down, and a sense of peace washes over you. It's not magic. It's the power of focusing your mind, the power of light, contained in a tiny flame. A candle is more than just an object. It's a symbol, a tool. If you use it mindfully, it can guide you toward success, concentration, and inner clarity. The beauty of a candle is in its simplicity. It doesn't distract you, demand attention, or argue with you. It simply burns. And in this process, it teaches us the most important lesson: to be present, to be in the moment, here and now. When you light a candle with intention, at that moment, you take a step toward self-discovery. You are telling the universe that you are here, ready to focus and create your own future. One of the most ancient rituals in the world is meditating on a candle flame, known as trataka. Even if you have never meditated before, you can start by sitting down, lighting a candle, placing it at eye level, and looking at the flame. At first, your thoughts may wander, and you may want to get distracted. But if you give yourself 5 minutes of silence, your mind will calm down and the flame will become your sole focus. You will be the master of your thoughts. This simple practice helps develop concentration, leading to clarity. You begin to understand what you want, what steps need to be taken, and how to separate what is essential from what is superfluous. But a candle is not only about attention, it's also about energy. When you gaze at the flame, inner strength awakens within you. It is a symbol of transformation, purification, and movement forward. Remember how people would gather around campfires in ancient times. The fire was their friend, protector, and companion. It created a space for conversation, revelation, and decision-making. This is still true today, although the flame may be smaller. But the essence remains. You can use a candle as an anchor for your intentions. Before an important day, light one up and speak your intentions aloud. Today, I am focused. Today, I will act. Today, I create my own reality. This becomes your inner attitude. Words spoken in the light of a candle take on new meaning. You pause, you do not rush, you become yourself, real, attentive, and focused. There is an amazing practice called candle and goal. It involves lighting a candle, writing down your goal, the real one that comes from your heart, and then putting the paper in front of you while staring at the flame of the candle. As you do this, you will notice that your thoughts start to change. Fear will give way to inspiration, and doubts will be replaced by a feeling of determination. The flame of the candle will resonate with your inner strength and determination, helping you to achieve your goals. This practice is a powerful tool for attracting success. Whether you are seeking a new job or starting your own business, visualization with a candle can help you imagine the future you desire in vivid detail. The fire of the candle becomes your co-author, guiding you towards your dreams. Candles are also symbols of purification. They help to release any anxiety, resentments, or fatigue that may be holding you back. By talking to the flame, you can share your worries and let them go, allowing yourself to feel lighter and more at peace. Do you want to enhance the effect of your thoughts and feelings? Write down everything that is bothering you on a paper and then burn the paper in a candle flame. This ancient practice of letting go can help you release negative emotions and focus on the present moment. Some people keep a candle in their workspace to help them stay productive. The flame helps them focus, cut off excess thoughts, and create a sense of being in the flow. There are also special candles with herbs, oils, and symbols that can be used for specific intentions. However, even a simple white or beige candle can become magical when filled with your thoughts, energy, and purpose. Remember that a candle isn't a magic wand that will do everything for you. It can only help you get into the right mindset to act more powerfully and effectively. Think about it. How much time per day do we waste? Imagine that you can give yourself 10 minutes each day with a candle in a mindful and focused state. In a month, that's 5 hours. For a year, it's 60. Many people seek out complicated techniques, but the truth is simpler. A candle can help you regain control over your attention, mindset, and thoughts. And that's all you need to change your life. One friend of mine, a successful entrepreneur, lights a candle before each important meeting and takes 3 minutes to be silent. He calls it disconnecting from noise and connecting with essence. It's his secret weapon. Another friend, a creative soul, starts each morning with a cup of coffee and a candle. She doesn't check her phone or set an alarm. She waits for the light to come on. She says it sets the tone for the day, and her days are filled with inspiration. The candle has no religion, no rules. It is available to everyone. It can be your tool, your practice, your support, if you just allow yourself to try. Today, try lighting a candle. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Look at the flame and let yourself hear your true answer. Then act from that place. A candle can be like a lighthouse. It doesn't move, but it lights the way. It takes its time, but gives direction. Let it remind you that the light is already within you. It just needs to be kindled. Each time you light a candle, remember that you're not lighting a fuse. You're sparking clarity. You call for concentration, inspire success, and there is great power in simplicity. Make it a ritual, small and personal, but powerful. Allow the candle to become your ally against procrastination, anxiety, and distraction. Make it the starting point for greatness. The world can be busy and noisy, and people can be demanding. Circumstances can be difficult, but there is always a sense of peace in the calm of a candle flame. Go back to that place of inner calm, find yourself, and that's where success starts. Close your eyes and imagine a candle flame burning inside you, a calm, clear, and real flame. Let it guide you and save you. If this video has inspired you, please like it and subscribe to our channel. In the comments, please let us know what you liked most about it. We read every comment and respond personally. If we reach 100 likes, we will create a follow-up video about using the elements of nature: fire, water, air, and earth to attract success and balance in our daily lives. Believe me, it will be both magical and practical. Thank you for watching. Even a small flame can light up a long journey. May the light of your inner flame always shine brightly. See you again soon, and may your days be filled with brightness and strength.